I purchased the panel from North America Phase Converter online, and I bought the motor separately, which you'll see here in a minute. It's a 15 horsepower. I wired in the 3-phase motor, the wire that you see running down below, and I also ran a 220 line that you're seeing running above here in the panel. The panel was for a 20 horsepower motor. I opted to put in a 15 horsepower motor as my needs had changed on equipment that I was going to run. So this is a 15 horsepower TEFC motor, 3-phase. I got off of Craigslist. Using the rotary phase converter to power my CNC milling machine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.